Hello everyone, here on my screen you can see this is the flow of a WhatsApp chatbot that I have created to boost the bedsheet sales. Now without any delay, let me show you a real-time example of how this WhatsApp chatbot will work. So for that, I just have to open my WhatsApp account, and as soon as I will send this keyword order, you will see that this WhatsApp chatbot will send me a welcome message. So here I have received it. Hey there, welcome to Dreamweave Linens. I am Lina, your shopping assistant, and this bot has given me these three different options to select from. So as I want to view catalog, so I will click on this particular button, then this bot will send me a catalog. So here I have also received this catalog. Now I will click on this view items, and in here you can see these are the three different type of bed sheets that this particular store sells. So I will select this particular bed sheet, this polyester bed sheet, and I will add it to my cart. After that I will open my cart and I will send all of these details to this business. And here to place my order, I have to click on this button given here. After that we will receive another message, and this bot has sent me another message. Let's place your order. I'll just take a few quick details to make sure your beautiful bed sheets reaches the right home, and it is asking me ready to start. So that's why I will click on this yes let's go button. After that this bot will ask me some questions. So first of all it is asking me for my full name, so I will enter my full name inside this chat, and after that we will see that what new question this WhatsApp chatbot will ask me. So here I have sent my full name, and after that this bot is asking me for my phone number. So I will also enter my phone number inside this chat, and I will send it in here. After that you can see this bot is now asking me for my full delivery address with area, city and pin code. So I will enter my address in here and I will send it inside this chat. After that we will see that this WhatsApp chatbot is now asking me that what exactly would I like to order. So as I want a polyester bed sheet, so I will type down that particular keyword here, polyester bed sheet into one, and I will send it inside this chat. Then you will see that this bot is asking me if I want any special instructions or preferences. So as I want it as a gift for someone, so I will just copy this gift wrap from here and I will paste it inside this chat. After that we will see that this bot is asking me how would I like to pay. So as I want to pay online, so I will select this particular method. Then you can see this bot has sent me this link to make a payment. So I will just open this particular link from here and I will pay for my order from here. And to show you a tutorial, I have just added a dummy payment page for myself, but you can add a real payment link for your customers. And after I have paid for my order, I will click on this paid button to confirm that I have paid. After that you can see this bot has sent me this order summary. So you can see this is the phone, this is my name, this is my address, this is the item that I have ordered, this is the note that I have given them, and this is the delivery that estimated 3 days that it will take to deliver my order. Now as I am satisfied with all of these details, so I will click on this confirm order button. Then you can see this bot has sent me this message, thank you Jai Tripathi, your order has been placed successfully, and it has given me the order ID and estimated delivery of 3 days. So you just saw how easy it was for me to buy this bed sheet for myself with the help of this WhatsApp chatbot. So this was the demo of this WhatsApp chatbot. Now I will show you how you can also create such an amazing WhatsApp chatbot for yourself. But before we start to create this WhatsApp chatbot, first of all let me help you navigate to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. So for that we have to go on a new tab and we have to enter this pabbly.com/chatflow, and after pressing this enter key we will get directed on this landing page of Pabbly Chatflow, where we have got these two different buttons, sign in and sign up free. And if I am a new user, then I will click on this sign up free button, and by creating a new account for myself I can avail 100 free credits that Pabbly Chatflow provides to every new customer. And if I am an existing user, then I will click on this sign in button. But before moving further, I would like to discuss with you guys details about Pabbly's Facebook community. Pabbly has this amazing Facebook community of over 20,000 members where individuals share their ideas and ask questions to our experts, and here we build and grow together. So if you also want to become part of such an amazing community, then for you I will add a link of this community in the description box of this video, so you can go and join our community from there. And now, being an existing user, I will go back to this landing page of Pabbly Chatflow, and in here I will click on this sign in button. This will get me directed on this all apps page of Pabbly, where Pabbly has these 7 amazing and powerful applications. But today as we are going to use this Pabbly Chatflow, so that's why I will click on this access now button. After that finally I will get directed on this dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, and inside this dashboard the first thing that you have to do is you have to add your WhatsApp number by clicking on this button given here, and you can select any of these two different methods, WhatsApp Connect method or manual token connect method, to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. And on the left side here you can see Pabbly Chatflow has these following amazing features. So if you want to learn in detail about any of these following features, or if you want to learn how you can add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow, then for that you just have to check out the description box of this video video, we have added link of separate videos explaining these features there. And after adding your WhatsApp number, to start creating a flow for yourself, you just have to click on this flows given on the left side here, and you have to select this flows. After that, you will get directed on this flow builders page, and in here you can see these are all the flows that I have created for myself, and this is the exact same flow that I have shown you in the beginning of this video. So first of all, I will deactivate this particular flow from here, as I'm going to create this exact same WhatsApp chatbot with you guys. So now to start creating this new flow, I will click on this add flow buttons. After that, you can see I have got directed on this particular page. Now this trigger button is visible to me. This trigger button is like the event on which I want my chatbot to get triggered. But before working on this trigger button, I would like to give a meaningful name to my WhatsApp chatbot as this chatbot to automate bedsheet business. Now we will work on our trigger step. So first of all, for this trigger event from this particular list, I will select this keyword or regex match as my trigger event, because I want my chatbot to get triggered with the help of some keywords that I will enter inside this box. So to enter a keyword, you just have to type down that keyword and press enter button. So this keyword is added successfully. Now I will add one more keyword. I will type down this order, and so as soon as I press this enter button, this keyword got added successfully. Now you can see this enter regex box is also given to us. So this is like a regular expression, which is a universal code with the help of which we can extract keywords from a paragraph. But as we have to either enter this keyword or this regex to kickstart our chatbot, that's why I have already entered the keywords. So I will skip this regex for now. Now we will move towards my action step. So for my first action step, I want to send a welcome message to my customer as soon as they send me any of these keywords. So I will drag in this text button and I will drop it in here. Now after connecting both of these following circles, I will enter a welcome message inside this box, where you can see I have entered this text, hey there, welcome to Dreamweave Linens. Now just below this text, I will add these three different buttons for my customer to select from. Now inside this first button, I will enter this text, view catalog, and inside the second button I will enter this particular text, best sellers, and inside our last button I will add this particular text, ask a question. Now we will set up these buttons one by one. So first of all, let us set up this view catalog button. So I want that whenever my customer clicks on this view catalog button, I want to send them a catalog. So to frame that, I will just drag in this multi products from here and I will drop it in here. Now first of all, I will connect this particular view catalog button with this multi product. After that, first of all, I will enter the header, body, and footer of this particular multi-product box. So here I have entered header, body, and footer of my catalog. Now I will add a section inside this catalog and I will name it as this bedsheet. Now I will add products inside my catalog. So for that, I just have to click on this add products button, and from this list of my products, I will select this particular cotton bedsheet, and then again I will click on this add products button to add this particular polyester bedsheet, and after that I will add this final bedsheet, this silk bedsheet. So you can see I have selected all of the products which I want to send to my customer. Now I want that whenever any customer has finalized their products, I want to send them another message. So for that, I will click on this add content button and I will click on this particular text button. Now inside this enter message box, I will enter this particular text. Press emoji to place your order. That's why just below this particular text, I will add this button with this emoji. So here I want that whenever my customer clicks on this button, I want to send them another message. So for that, I will drag in this text button and I will drop it in here. Now inside this enter message box, I will enter this particular text. Let's place your order. So that's why just below this particular button where you can see I am asking my customer ready to start. So that's why I will add two different buttons just below this particular message in which I will enter my text. Yes, let's go and maybe later. Now first of all, I will connect both of these following circles like this, and after that, as I want to ask some questions from my customer, so to frame questions from this action features here, I will drag in this ask question button and I will drop it in here. Now first of all, I will connect both of these following circles, and then inside this enter message box, I will enter this particular question for my customer. Lovely, what's your full name please? That's why for this contact custom field, I will select this particular contact custom field full name, which I have created to store the full name given by my customer, and inside this format I will select this text because I want my customer to reply to me in this particular format. And for this number of attempt box, I will skip this, but I can enter the number inside this box if I want to give retry attempts to my customer. So we will move towards my next action step, and for that also I will drag in this ask question button and I will just copy this particular question buttons multiple times because I want to ask some continuous questions from my customers. And after connecting all of these following question buttons with each other, I will frame the questions for my customers. So here I have connected them. Now I will frame these question buttons one by one. So here you can see I have successfully framed these all of the 5 questions which I want to ask my customer. In the first one, I am asking my customer for their full name. In the second one, I am asking their phone number. In the third one, I am asking their delivery address. In the fourth one, I am asking them that what would they like to order. And in the last one, I am asking them any special instructions or preferences. After that, I want to ask one more questions, but for that, I will drag in this text button and I will drop it in here. Now inside this enter message box, I will enter this particular text, how would you like to pay, and just below this text button I will add these 2 different buttons for my customer to select from. So first of all, I will connect both of these following circles and then I will fill the text inside these buttons. After that, I will show you how you can create a contact custom field for yourself. So here I have entered text inside both of my buttons. Now I will show you how you can create a contact custom field for yourself, and then after that we will select the contact custom fields for each of these following questions. So before exiting this window, I will advise you to click on the save button, otherwise the flow that you have made here will get lost. So here SR flow is updated. So from the settings here, I will select this particular contact custom field, and in here you can see these are all the contact custom fields that I have created for myself. Now to add one more field, I just have to click on this button, add more field, and after I will give a name to my custom fields like this testings. You will see that as soon as I will click on this save button, this field will get added successfully. Now I can access this field inside my flows. So if I will open my flows, this is the flow in which I am working, and in here when I will click on this contact custom field drop down, you can see for this contact custom field drop down, this particular custom field testing has been added successfully. Now I can select this particular contact custom field if I want to, but you can see as inside this question I am asking my customer for their phone number. So that's why for this contact custom field I will select this particular field phone number, which I have created to store the phone number given by my customer, and later by just applying the $sign in front of this contact custom field, I can map the phone number given by my customer inside my further responses, and for this format I will select it as any. Now I will quickly fill up these contact custom fields and format for each of my following remaining questions. So here I have successfully added contact custom fields and format for with my question buttons. Now I will move forwards and I will set up these buttons one by one. So first of all, let us set up this online payment button. Now after my customer clicks on this button, I want to send them a link to pay online. So for that, I will drag in this text button and I will drop it in here. Now after connecting both of these following circles, I will enter this particular message inside this chat, where you can see I have given this particular payment link to my customer from where they can pay for their order. And now just below this particular text button, I will add this particular button paid, so that my customer can click on this button to notify me about their payment. And after my customer clicks on this paid button, I want to send them another message. So to frame that, I will again drag in this text button from here and I will drop it in here. And first of all, I will connect both of these following circles, and then I will enter a message inside this box where I have provided my customer with their order summary. So in here you can see I have mapped this name of my customer by using this $sign and this contact custom field full name, which I have created to store the name given by my customer. And just like this, I have also mapped the phone number, the address, the items selected by my customer, the note given by them, and also for this delivery I have entered this 3 days estimated. Now you can see I am also asking, does everything look good? So that's why I will just add these 2 different buttons below this text, and inside this first button I will enter this text confirm order, and inside the second button I will enter this edit details. Now if my customer clicks on this button edit details, I will direct them back to this particular text button where I am asking their full name. So if I will drag a thread from here and I will connect it with this particular question. And after that, if my customer clicks on this confirm order button, I want to send them a confirmation message. That's why I have dragged in this text button, and after connecting both of these following threads, I will enter this particular message. Thank you $sign for name. Your order has been placed successfully. Now I will set up this particular button. Now I want that as soon as my customer clicks on this particular cash on delivery button, I want to direct them directly to this particular button. So that's why I have connected this button with this particular button with order summary. Now you can see I have successfully completed the setup of this particular button view catalog. Now I will set up this particular button bestsellers. So for that also I will drag in this text button and I will drop it in here. Now first of all, I will connect both of these following circles, and then inside this enter message box I will enter this text where I have provided details about our most loved picks this week. And just below this particular text I will add this particular button order now, so that my customer can click on this button if they want to order for themselves. And I will connect this particular button with this text where I am asking my customer that if they want to place their order. so that they can directly click on this button order now to place order for themselves. Now let us set up this last button of ours, this ask a question. So for that also I will drag in this text button and I will drop it in here. Now first of all I will connect both of these following circles like this, and then inside this enter message box I will enter this particular text where you can see I have added the most commonly asked questions by my customer inside this chat. And below this particular text button I will add two different buttons. In the first button I will enter this text ask more, and inside the second button I will enter this particular text order now, so that my customer can click on this button to buy for themselves. So that's why I will connect this button with this particular text. Now after that we will frame this ask more button. So for that I will just drag in this ask question button and I will drop it in here. Now I will just connect both of these following circles, and then inside this enter message box I will enter this text. Please type down your query below and wait while our agent will respond to you. And just below this particular question, you can see I have also selected the respective custom field and this format. With this, I have successfully completed the creation of this WhatsApp chatbot. Now I will just click on this save button to save our flow. Otherwise, this chatbot will not work as expected. And after that, we have to go on my WhatsApp account to test if this WhatsApp chatbot is working properly or not. So I will open my WhatsApp account, and in here I will again send this keyword order. After that, you will see that here I have successfully received this welcome message. This means that our WhatsApp chatbot is working all fine. So here I have successfully demonstrated how you can create such an amazing WhatsApp chatbot for yourself with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you want to clone this flow, then you can do that by copying the link of this flow that I will paste in the description box of this video. And if you like this video, then please consider subscribing to Pabbly's YouTube channel. And for more such amazing videos, please do comment below on which topics do you want to see videos from us. And thank you for watching this video. Not just this, you can create many more WhatsApp chatbots to automate your business with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. And if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. And for your queries, you can ask them at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you have to check up this following website. Now, what are you waiting for? Just go and create your free account at Pabbly Chatflow.